Regular car maintenance is one of the most important things that keeps the engine running efficiently and extends its lifespan. Many people may think that as long as the car is running without problems and there is no light on in the dashboard, there is no need for maintenance. However, the truth is that there are many things inside the car that wear out or need to be replaced without you noticing or feeling it. There are also people who say, as long as the car has passed the periodic inspection, it is fine and does not need maintenance. This is a very wrong way of thinking, because the annual periodic inspection is only to ensure that the car is fit to drive on the road. It does not examine every component inside the car in detail. On the contrary, periodic maintenance is much deeper and reviews basic things such as the condition of the oils, belts, filters, cooling system, brakes, and many other things to maintain your safety and the efficiency of the car. To make it easier for yourself, periodic maintenance is divided into 3 stages: routine maintenance, basic maintenance, and full maintenance. Each stage has its own time and components that need to be checked. This is what we will talk about in detail. What is routine maintenance for your car? Routine periodic maintenance is very important to maintain your car's performance and avoid sudden breakdowns. It is recommended that you perform this maintenance every 6 months or every 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. This is a 25-point checklist: changing the engine oil and filter, ensuring the integrity of the windshield, checking the air filter and air conditioner filter, checking the gearbox oil level and condition, checking the radiator fluid level and condition, checking the brake fluid level and condition, checking the power steering fluid level and condition, checking the condition of the engine belts, checking the radiator hoses for leaks, checking for oil leaks in general, visually inspecting the steering system or steering wheel, visually inspecting the suspension system, filling and checking the wiper cartridges, operating and checking the wipers, checking for worn brake pads or brake pads, checking the condition of the brake pedal, testing the air conditioning and heating system, checking the exterior lights, warning lights, and the instrument cluster, the alarm or horn, checking the condition of the muffler or exhaust system, rotating the tires and checking their condition, checking and adjusting the tire pressure, checking the condition of the car battery, making sure the parking brake is working, and checking the condition of the interior and exterior mirrors. If you maintain this maintenance regularly, you will notice a big difference in the smoothness of driving and fuel consumption, and it will also reduce the chances of you being exposed to a sudden breakdown on the road. So, what is the basic maintenance for your car? Basic maintenance is one of the essential steps that helps you preserve the life of your car and protect it from major breakdowns that can cost you a lot. It is recommended that you perform this maintenance every 12 months or every 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. This is a comprehensive checkup of 40 important points. It includes changing the engine oil and filter, ensuring the integrity of the windshield, checking or replacing the air filter and air conditioner filter, checking the gearbox oil level and condition, checking the radiator fluid level and condition, checking the brake fluid level and condition, checking the steering fluid level and condition, checking the engine running condition, checking the radiator hoses for leaks, and checking for oil leaks in general. A visual inspection of the steering system, a visual inspection of the suspension system, a visual inspection of the fuel tank, checking and filling the wiper cartridge, operating and checking the wipers, checking for worn brake pads or brake pads, checking the condition of the brake pedal, checking the operation of the parking brake and checking for wear, checking the car's brake drums or discs, checking the brake calipers, checking the brake hoses and pipes, testing the operation of the air conditioning and heating system, checking the external lights, warning lights, the alarm, and ensuring the integrity of the muffler or exhaust system. Rotate the tires, check their condition, check and adjust the tire pressure, check the car battery, check the inside and outside mirrors, make sure the seat belt is working, check the condition of the timing belt, check the car springs or suspension, make sure the car's shock absorbers are working properly, check the tire pommels, check the car's reverser cables, Check the condition of the propeller shaft, check the evaporative cooler valve, make sure the door locks, hood, and trunk are working properly. Check for any warning lights on the dashboard and make sure the interior lights are working. If you adhere to this basic maintenance, you will be more reassured about your car and reduce the chances of sudden problems occurring, especially in vital parts. So, what is a complete periodic maintenance for your car? Asterisk, if you drive your car regularly and cover long distances, it is very important to perform a complete maintenance every 24 months or every 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. A complete maintenance is more comprehensive than a basic maintenance because it covers a comprehensive 50-point check to ensure excellent performance and higher safety. The steps performed during a complete maintenance include changing the engine oil and filter, inspecting the windshield and ensuring its integrity, checking or replacing the air filter and air conditioner filter, checking the level and condition of the gearbox oil, checking the radiator or coolant water level, checking the brake fluid, checking the power steering fluid, checking the engine running condition, checking the radiator hoses for leaks, and checking for oil leaks in general. A visual inspection of the steering system, a visual inspection of the suspension system, an external inspection of the fuel tank, checking and filling the wiper cartridge, operating and checking the wipers, checking or replacing the brake pads or brake pads as needed, checking the brake pedal and its sensitivity, and checking the brake pedal. Adjust the parking brake and check for wear on the drums or brake discs. Check the brake calipers, brake pipes and hoses, test the air conditioning and heating system, and check the exterior lights, warning lights, and alarm. Check the exhaust system or muffler, rotate the tires and check their condition, adjust the tire pressure according to specifications, check the battery and ensure its strength, ensure the integrity of the internal and external mirrors. Check the operation of the seat belts, check the timing belt, check the car springs or suspension, check the condition of the shock absorbers and ensure the integrity of the tire pommels, check the reverse or car cables, check the drive shaft for both rear wheel drive and four-wheel drive, check or replace the evaporative valve, change the fuel filter, check the radiator cooling fan, check or replace the car spark plugs, change the brake oil completely, check the door locks, hood, trunk lid, and make sure there is any warning light on the dashboard and make sure the interior lights are working, check the air conditioner radiator and its pipes, test drive the car on the road, check the gear pot or the torque converter and note any abnormal sounds or vibrations, ensure the smoothness of the gear shifts, whether manual or automatic, and prepare a report on the entire engine performance. A complete maintenance is important not only for problems to appear, but to prevent problems before they occur. You get it. Even if you were thinking of selling your car soon, a full maintenance report increases its market value and reassures the buyer. By the end of our episode, we've covered all the important points involved in periodic car maintenance, including routine, basic, and complete maintenance. Each one of them plays a major role in maintaining your car's performance and your safety on the road. Always remember that maintenance isn't a luxury. It's a long-term investment to keep your car running efficiently and avoid sudden breakdowns that could cost you a lot. Thank you for following along and stay tuned for a new episode.